How's it going, guys? Hope you have a good one. So in today's video, we're gonna try to slowly assemble everything parts by parts, and hopefully it all went well. So let's go.
Just wanna smoke my bud. I don't go out that much. This weed got me out of touch. Oh Lord, gotta sail through the mud. Tomorrow.
Alright guys, as you can see right here, the head and the block, they are together already. So today we're gonna try to assemble as much as we can, and hopefully all goes well. And what my friend did is now spray with this copper thingy look like. It's like a gasket sealant. We'll make sure it sticks this head and the block together. So yeah, just to make sure it really sticks together so it will last long. I'm not using a metal head gasket, just a normal one. And yeah.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in base, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip by toss it.
So guys, just a quick update. Everything is in right now. The head cover, the intake. So we obviously go for a 4 trumpet here. 4 throttle body. This one is from a silver top engine. And next thing is the fuel rail. Waiting for my friend to get it. Hopefully can fit. So really happy with the result today, because I mean it's almost like an engine, right? There might be a few problems that we're gonna face, but hopefully we'll be alright. Hey guys, so firstly, I'm really sorry if I couldn't show in detail what I do with my engine. First, my hand get easily dirty, as you can see, because I'm also working on my engine, and secondly, I'm still shy talking to the camera, especially when there's people around. I'm very self-conscious right now. There's no people, so yeah, I'm able to talk to you guys, but nonetheless, I'm still learning. Please bear with me, but at least I'm able to show you guys the process of it, and hope you guys like it. But nonetheless, you really show your support by hitting that subscribe button down for me, and really help me out. So and of course I hope to do more videos for you guys to watch. Whether you watch it or not, it's up to you. But I mean, if you watch until here, please hit that like button or subscribe button down for me. I'll see you guys.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah.